Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Two Tones here, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be kind of reviewing this little kit that I got in the mail for $12 and something cents with zero shipping. So this is a bonsai starter kit. So I am getting into doing some bonsai trees, as you guys know from my streams and shit like that. So I wanted to get myself some tools. So basically this kit comes with 3 individual tools, and I'm going to go ahead and go over those real quick and show you guys and kind of give you guys my overall opinion of the tools. I have not used them yet, but I figured I might as well make something for you guys today because I cannot stream. So here is the first tool. These are very sharp scissors. These are for trimming, these are for pruning your tree. So when your tree starts growing and starts creating like leaves and stuff like that, you know, just like a regular tree. Sometimes you don't want the leaves to grow. Sometimes you have to prune some branches. These are perfect for that. They're also very, very sharp. I don't know if you guys can see that edge, right? But look, here's how you test to see if something is sharp, right? You take the blade and you put it on your fingernail and you put no pressure and you go through. And if it leaves a indent on your fingernail, it is quite sharp. Can't really pick it up on the camera, but these are very, very sharp. These are very sharp as well, right? And I don't know if you can hear that. Very ASMR-y right there. These are also for pruning shit, so you know you can prune stuff, and you can prune your leaves. I don't specifically know what these are for. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research. Maybe they're for pruning the leaves, and then these ones are for pruning the branches, or maybe they're both for pruning leaves and both for pruning branches. I don't actually know, but I like that these are very handheld. You can get in there and, like, you know, say my tree is like this tall, I can actually snip it and stuff. I like these. I like these. Maybe these are for getting into the smaller areas and these are for pruning the big shit, you know, but I feel like I could do both with both, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on exactly what this is. This comes with a sleeve, so you're not sitting around with very deadly, very sharp things just sitting out. So these come with a sleeve. These do not come with a sleeve, or they do, but the sleeve doesn't fit back in the little case that it comes in. So yeah, I mean, do whatever you want with those, but these, very high quality, very nice. They seem like they're pretty easy to make though, so I don't actually know quite everything about it. But this is interesting because this is a root rake, right? So when you're doing bonsai and you're transplanting trees into bonsai pots, you're supposed to rake the roots out and get all of the dirt out of there so you can put fresh bonsai soil in the pot, right? Now this to me seems like very frail, very, very weak. Look, you can see it, like it flexes right here. This thing moves all over the place, right? These bits are very, very, like, not strong. I feel like it's going to break the instant I actually try to use it. You can go ahead and use this, but what I did, and what you guys can do as well is, hold on, you can make yourself a root rake. Right? So this is just a fork. Yeah, it's pretty fucked up, I know. But this is just a fork that I took pliers to and bent into shape. Which, if you guys want to look, it's about the same shape as the root rake. And you can use this if you have heavy duty roots. You can use this for the light, delicate stuff. So that's it. That's what I got today. It was about $12. It was very quick getting here. I think I ordered it on December 31st as well, so there was a whole day off there for all the people who work at Amazon. Also, this was from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, but these I'm super excited to use because they just seem very, very strong, very capable. This I'm super excited to use because it's small. You know, I can get in there and, like, give my tree a haircut if it needs a haircut, you know, fucking snip that shit. And this is very sharp as well. Very, very sharp. And you can kind of hear that they, like, basically sharpen themselves as you use them. So you can, these will probably be good for a long time. Again, I don't know how I feel about this root rake. I'm gonna have to give it a try and see if I like it, you know, but just in case, I do have the big metal one that I made from a fork, which you guys can also make from forks. Super duper easy. All you do is take a fork and take some pliers and bend this shit into place and separate the fork heads and everything like that, and boom, you have yourself a very sturdy, very strong root rake, you know, that you can Yeah, or a back scratcher. Either way. They're not solely for one purpose or another. So this right here, this case that it came in as well, is very low quality, but it's okay because the tools are what's important. This feels like it could be, you could get it literally anywhere in any, like, small tool set, you know, they send it to you in this. It's super duper nice though, you know, if I want to store this or whatever, it's this big instead of like this big or something, you know what I mean? Like, you just put it wherever you need it. So that's that. I also did get a few other things. I might as well just show you guys really quickly because the next video that I'm going to make on bonsai is actually me doing my tree. So bonsai wire, here we go. I'm going to actually go through this. I haven't gone through this yet. I was only going to do that little kit, but I figured might as well, right? So these come with some wire cutters, right? Very nice, very sharp for cutting wires. I did take these out and look at these because I was gonna, you know, I was gonna see if I could put it in that little set. Then we have the actual bonsai wire, which, I mean, let's just pull this open, you know. And these come in a lot of different sizes. Here's the green one. This is the smallest size, I do believe, and this is for wrapping branches. This isn't for wrapping the trunk. This is for wrapping branches. This one is for wrapping branches. This one is for wrapping small trunks because it's a very thick, come on camera, focus. It's a very thick millimeter. And then this is for wrapping larger trunks, right? This is also a very, very thick millimeter. So I might as well just show you everything, man. I also got these right here, or this right here, in the mail. This is a bonsai pot, right? This is a very small bonsai pot. My bonsai tree isn't going to be much bigger than this, though, so this is completely okay. But this is my little bonsai pot, right? Where's that little mark right there? Little imperfection in the pot. That's totally fine. 2 holes, right? What you do with these holes is you take some mesh and you put them in the hole. You fill it with your dirt and your tree, of course, and then boom, you have your little bonsai tree, and it'll, imagine it like a tree this big, you know, sitting right out of the top of this, and it comes in this styrofoam, so it comes very, very well kept, you know, so it's all good in that regard, right? So basically the next video that I'm gonna make that's bonsai related, if you guys want to see it, will be me taking, because I do have a little juniper coming. It's a Japanese juniper, which is probably the best beginner tree. I did a lot of research before, you know, starting any of this stuff, but it's probably the best beginner tree for starting bonsai. So I have my pot right here, which you guys can see is in there. I have all my tools. These are what you're going to need, right, to rake the roots. I mean, you could probably get away with just, you know, making your own rake and using a really nice pair of scissors, but I kind of felt like I wanted this stuff. I wanted to put the money in, put the time. The wire is probably pretty essential, just in, I mean, if you're trying to style your tree and keep your tree going in directions that you want it to go, you could always just plant the tree and then trim it as it grows and see what you like and react to the tree as the tree grows. But I don't know if I wanted to do that. I definitely didn't want to do that. I wanted to style it myself, right? And your pot. So you get your pot, your tools, and then your wire cutters, which come with the wire when you buy them. I think all of this, the most expensive thing was this little pot was 20 bucks because, you know, it's a fucking ceramic pot, right? You guys can hear that. Very ceramic. Yeah, very ceramic. Much ceramic. No, but it's very sturdy, very stiff, very hardy ceramic pot, and it's a traditional style bonsai pot, which is cool. I'll probably have my little juniper sitting over here with the leaves coming over the top like that. I haven't quite decided yet because my plant hasn't got here. That will get here in about 3 days, and then if you guys want to see a video on that, I got you. Just another quick little review, or I mean of what comes in the kit if you guys want to buy it, is this little snippers, which I'm excited to use. These little very stiff scissors, very rugged scissors, but very small, so you can get in there and do delicate work. And then again, this rake, which I don't know how long I will be using, depending on whether or not it breaks as soon as I get it, because it feels like, I don't know, if I do anything slightly aggressive, these are gonna snap because it's very, very thin. But I will have an in-depth review of these when I actually do my bonsai. Right, so again, it all comes in this little case. Not the best case in the world, but it doesn't really matter. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Oh, I did get this all-purpose premium blend bonsai soil, which I have not opened. I'm going to save this for when my actual tree gets here and I put it into this pot. Hopefully that all fits, man. I did get a 3-inch juniper or something like that, so I should be able to put it in this pot. I think the pot is smaller than I would have liked, but it's all good, bro. It's all good. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and my kind of little review of these products. They're not really a review, just like a showcase, I guess. Maybe I'll do an updated review as soon as I actually use these items and see how they actually work. Also, I'm not an expert by any means, so make sure you guys do your own research and decide what you guys want to get, if you guys even want to do this stuff. So, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Two Tones. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you're leaving that like, subscribing for more daily content. Streaming tomorrow. I just got to get my Raid Den seed. You guys all know that. I didn't want to do another stream today of the exact same thing I did yesterday, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys can understand that. Maybe let me know what other games you guys want to watch in the meantime, like maybe Fortnite, maybe Minecraft. I don't care. Just let me know what you guys want to watch in the comment section below. But love you guys. Stay cool.